What's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide items on one specific page on your Shopify store and then show them on other pages. So for this example, what we're going to do is the announcement bar on the home page, we're going to hide it. You won't see it. On the other pages, you'll see the announcement bar. There's been many times when I've seen people who need to do something like this. I've seen it on the Shopify forums. People ask this question. I've seen it on comment section. So I thought I'd come here and show you how you can do that for your store. Hide an item on one page, show it on other pages. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let me share my screen here. Okay, like this. All right. So what you want to do is first come to the admin section of your screen. Let me make sure. Okay, good. All right, come to the admin section of your screen. From here, you want to come to where it says online store. Click on that. Find your active theme. You want to come to your active theme, click these three dots, look through the menu items until you see edit code. Click on edit code. Once you see this code, trust me, don't get so confused. It's very simple what we're going to do. But what I recommend is the next step is to open a new tab and open your website, open your live website, and go to the page or the section that you want to edit. Just go to that specific page. So like for this example, we want to make some changes on the home page. So on the home page, if you want to go to a specific page, just go to that page and make sure you have it open. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to this code here and make sure that you are, so if I X this all out, what you want to do is you want to go to, more than likely it's going to look something like this. So what you want to do is you want to come to layout and then theme.liquid. This is where you can make these specific changes that we're going to do. Come to theme.liquid. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way here until you see this body tag like this. It's going to say body, and it's going to have an arrow going to the right. To make this easier, I believe what you can do is you can do Control F and say like this. Let's see if we can find it like that. Okay, good. Same thing. So if you don't want to scroll, do Control F and then type in this. Control F, type this in. And then click next. And it'll take you there. All right, good. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to look for, because we're trying to edit the announcement bar, we want to look for announcement bar. So here it is right here. Section announcement bar. And you'll notice that the way this is structured, you see how it has the announcement bar, the header, and the footer. You think about your website, it's the same way as the announcement bar, and the header, you come onto the bottom, the footer. So now you're starting to see how this thing is structured, right? Then have the main content inside here. So it's very simple what we're going to do. So what you want to do is come to the section here that you want to edit announcement bar. And right on top of it, you want to come in here and you want to type this in. So you're going to do this column like this colon here, and then you want to do this percentage sign. So when you type this in, it's going to look something like this. I forgot what this thing is called. This bracket here, and then the announcement bar. So what you do is once you have these two things typed in, you want to type in unless. So what this is basically going to do, this code that we're writing is very simple. It's basically saying, show this section announcement bar on every page unless this specific page. In our case, it's going to be the home page. So we're going to type like this. Unless, we're going to type in templates, and see it already came up first, .name. So in this case, because we're using the homepage template, is looking for that specific name. That's why we're typing in template.name. So once again, show the announcement bar unless it's the template name, and in this case, index. So if you notice, if you come to templates here, because you're trying to edit the home page, you might think, okay, let me look for home, but it's not called home, it's called index. This is just a little bit of web development. The home page of every website is called the index page. So instead of home, it's referred to as index. So that's just something to keep in mind. And not something you really need to know, but if you're looking for the section here, it's not going to be called home, it's going to be called index. If you come here, you click on index, you'll see how the slideshow has the different slides. You come, it has the two image layout, the image, hide this, and you come to the live website, you're gonna see the same thing here. Hide blue fall, same things, hide blue fall. So that's just showing you, that's how you can see that it's the same section. But anyways, what you want to do is, okay, unless template.name is equal to index, like this, and let's see, make sure I have this line here like this. So you want to make sure it looks like this. Unless template.name equals to whatever page you're trying to edit, whether it's index, maybe it's the product page, maybe it's a blog, whatever it is, unless template.name is equal to that page. Then what you want to do is you want to come right below it. So first we're right above, now we're right below. Same thing, type the brackets, type the parentheses like this, have your line here, have your line here, and all you want to do is come in here, type end, click that end unless. Okay, good. So now we have it wrapped above and beyond. So once again, let's make this simple. Here, what this is saying is show the announcement bar in the body of the page. That's what it's saying. In the body of the page, show the announcement bar unless it's the index or home page. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save this. Show the announcement bar unless it's the home page. Now what we're going to do is we have this home page here like this. Let me X this out. Let me refresh. Okay, make sure it's saved good. Let me refresh the page. Okay, you see it's gone. The announcement bar is no longer there. Let me refresh one more time. It's not there. Now let's go to another page. Click on Shop Beard. What we see is here. Let's test it out. We're gonna go to another page. It's there. Let's go to, okay, here, about, it's here. Okay, good, everything looks good. Come back to here, it's gone. Okay, so it works. And that's how you can be able to hide specific items. I've seen sometimes people would say, oh, it can't be done, or maybe I try to work with a developer, but I was told it can't be done. It can be done. This is very simple. You just add this code here. Whatever template that you don't want to show, type that here. So instead of index, once again, if you want to do it for a blog, you want to do it for a product page, you want to do a search page, you don't want the announcement bar, whatever section to show, just come in unless template.name equal to that section, then show it, and then unless. Very simple to do, and I hope this video is able to help you see how you can hide items on specific pages and show them on other pages. Now, of course, there might be more complicated things. Maybe you want to hide something like social media icons where you don't want it on one page, but then you want it on another page, or you want to hide one specific icon. There's so many different things that I can't even think about that you might want to do, but some may be simple, some might be a little more complicated. If you try this method here and it doesn't work, feel free to send me an email or book a call and we'll see how you can get set up, because with Shopify, with programming in general, anything can be done. Even though it might seem difficult, anything can be done. So if you have a question, feel free to reach out and we'll get you your custom Shopify store. Once again, I hope this video was a little helpful to see how you can hide items on specific pages. If you need help doing this, if this was too confusing, you need help doing it, feel free to book a call, send me an email, reach out, and I try my very best to help you create your custom store and get that custom feature that you're looking for. And once again, I wanted to share this with you to show you how you can hide items on specific pages and show them on other pages.